Cairo is the capital city of Egypt, located on the banks of the Nile River. The city has a rich history that dates back to the 10th century when it was founded as a small village. Throughout the centuries, Cairo has been a center of political, cultural, and economic importance in the region. Today, the city is a popular tourist destination, known for its historical landmarks such as the Pyramids of Giza, the Egyptian Museum, and the Citadel of Salah el-Din. Cairo's architecture is a blend of various styles, reflecting the city's diverse history. The Islamic architecture is particularly prominent in the city, with the Al-Azhar Mosque and the Ibn Tulun Mosque being popular examples. The city also has many modern skyscrapers, such as the Cairo Tower and the Nile City Towers. Cairo has a desert climate, with hot and dry summers and mild winters. The average temperature during the summer months, June through August, is around 33 degrees Celsius and 91 degrees Fahrenheit, while during the winter months, December through February, the average temperature is around 18 degrees Celsius or 64 degrees Fahrenheit. The city has a diverse population, with Egyptians of different ethnic and religious backgrounds, as well as a significant number of expatriates. The majority of the population is Muslim, followed by Coptic Christians. Cairo's cuisine is influenced by its location in the Middle East and North Africa. The city is known for its street food, such as falafel, kosherai, which is a mix of rice, lentils, and macaroni, and shawarma. Egyptian cuisine is also famous for its desserts, such as basbousa, which is a sweet semolina cake, and konafa, a pastry made with cheese and phyllo dough. The city's economy is driven by a variety of sectors, including tourism, trade, and manufacturing. Cairo is home to many international corporations and has a thriving financial sector, with the Cairo International Conference Center being a popular location for international events and exhibitions. Despite facing some economic challenges in recent years, Cairo remains an important hub for business and commerce in the region.